Jenny Craig online program app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about weight loss programs is that most fail because people don't have the right support system. The Jenny Craig online program app aims to fix that by combining personalized coaching with structured meal plans, all managed conveniently from your phone. So, what makes it stand out, and what are the trade-offs? Let's break it down. Starting with the pros. The Jenny Craig app focuses on accountability through real human coaching. Each user is paired with a personal consultant who provides guidance, motivation, and weekly check-ins. The app tracks your food, activity, and progress, syncing directly with your personalized meal plan. Another advantage is convenience. The app manages everything from ordering meals to tracking calories in one place. You can view your menu, get reminders, and access helpful weight loss tools without juggling multiple apps. Jenny Craig's food program is another highlight. The meals are balanced and portion controlled, designed by nutritionists to provide optimal nutrients while promoting steady weight loss. The app even includes transition plans to help users move from packaged meals to healthy home cooking. Now, the cons. The Jenny Craig program can be expensive, especially if you continue beyond the initial phase. While the app enhances the experience, it's heavily dependent on meal delivery, which limits flexibility for those who prefer fresh or homemade food. Some users also note that success largely depends on maintaining frequent contact with your consultant. In conclusion, the Jenny Craig online program app blends technology with personal support to create a complete weight loss system. It's perfect for those who value structure and hands-on coaching. If you struggle to stay accountable on your own, this app can give you the guidance and motivation you've been missing as long as you're ready to invest in the process.